not glowing. This is problem diesel glow plug relay. Positive and way to the glow plugs. Maybe we can connect both without relay. Makita. Wow, tons of drill bits. We need number 3. Number 3. Now connect positive to the connector, each cylinder of the 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 should be enough to fire up the engine. Now be fast. Now start. Oh, he wants to start, but battery is dead. Oh no! Oh no, this is sign for dead battery on old Mercedes. Wiper starts on itself. Tools. 13. Panther battery from 2017. Not removed. 250 diesel, January 2017, old. Don't forget. Junk. Wow, new battery. Achtung. From Falter, Silver Dynamic, German quality. Negative terminal. Positive terminal. Secure positive. Now we change glow plug relay. Loser. Now disconnect. Positive terminal. Be careful. Oh no! Relay from 1992. Hella. Wow. Hella. New relay. Oh yeah. Hella. Made in India. Best product. First connect positive. First this one. Next the big plug. Now secure. Still not working. Happy customer!